And now the news in detail. As Shillong gears up to host the prestigious football tournament for the very first time, the three magnificent trophies of the 133rd Indian Oil Durand Cup reached Shillong today and were proudly displayed at a grand ceremony at the U Sosotham Auditorium in the gracious presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Speaking at the occasion, the Chief Minister hailed the efforts of the Durand Cup Organising Committee in bringing about this historic moment for the state, which would put Shillong on the football map of the country. The ceremony was also attended by senior military officials.
Means the different support we give to organizations, to different associations, to the MFA and to different tournaments is also equally important. And hence in the last 6 years, different programs like the Meghalaya Games, and out of these 5 times, 3 of them were in the last 6 years of this government. In the middle we had COVID, otherwise we intended to have it every year.
In Northeast, we consider 2 states ultimate football fans. Number one is Meghalaya, number 2 Manipur, and possibly Mizoram. They may tie up. So not having a match in Meghalaya is just not acceptable. It is just that the stadium work last year, the Football Federation was not very particularly happy with the turf. That possibly we gave up last year. Otherwise, it's been Chief Minister's dream, partially my dream also, to get the Durand Cup here.